Thirikari iri na mubango wa gwaka irathi 10,000 niguo kugacirithia mathomo kuri makiri ma arutwo na makiria kuri makiria ya arutwo mirioni 1 aria matanyitwo kuingira grade ya 7 rungu rwa mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe ukite. Akiaria hindi ya gukungwira mambura ma mashujaa kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nioritie ministry ya githomo kurutithania wira na honge ingi kwarira mitaratara ya uria waki wa irathi ici ugukorwo githie na mbere.
That the Ministry of Education, jointly with the Ministry of Interior and the National Treasury, shall establish a framework for the construction of over 10,000 classrooms needed to provide the additional learning space for the 1 million new students set to join junior secondary.
Mutongoria wa bururi oho agiathana kandarathi ici gukorwo ikiheo a Kenya niguo gukuria icigo kuria waki wa irathi ici ugukorwo githie na mbere.
This initiative will tap into the skilled manpower within the counties, empowering locals with enhanced economic opportunity.
Ihinda-ini riu abunge makiurio kuhuthira kigiina kiria magayagirwo gia CDF hari kuhura njeki tabarira ngurani cia ukuria mathukuru-ini thiini wa icigo cia ubunge.
The timely program provides additional momentum to my administration's prioritization that no child is left behind in the transition from primary to secondary school.
Thirikari ne hariirie gutigirira gutire muruto ona umwe watigirirwo ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa bururi akihinyiriria ati mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC no uguthie na mbere.
As a caring government and one that appreciates the solemn duty of the state to prepare every child for their destiny, we will continue enriching the curriculum to ensure that our children sharpen their talent and maximize their opportunities in keeping with our vision for a holistic growth of every child in Kenya.
Maya mokite riri kuri na shira uhanditwo igoti-ini ni muciari umwe akienda guteanirio kwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC uria urahutia makiria ya arutwo mirioni 8. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.